Good day, guys. Today I'll be reading the alphabetic order of the books of the Bible from A to Z. Acts, Amos, First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Colossians, First Corinthians, and Second Corinthians. Daniel, Deuteronomy, Ecclesiastes, Ephesians, Esther, Exodus, Ezekiel, Ezra, Galatians, Genesis, Habakkuk, Haggai, Hebrews, Hosea, Isaiah, James, Jeremiah, Job, Joel, John, First to Third John, Jonah, Joshua, Jude, Judges, First Kings, Second Kings, Lamentations, Leviticus, Luke, Malachi, Mark, Matthew, Micah, Nahum, Nehemiah, Numbers, Obadiah, First Peter, Second Peter, Philemon, Philippians, Proverbs, Psalms, Revelation, Romans, Ruth, First and Second Samuel, Song of Songs, First and Second Thessalonians, First and Second Timothy, Titus, Zechariah, and lastly, Zephaniah. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.